In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the AI business that you can start for as little as $1 and earn tens of thousands of dollars in commissions using AI video. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and in this video, I want to show you how you can use the latest AI technology, AI videos, to earn thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. Now, the best part is this can work for any product in any niche, and it's perfect for total beginners. If you don't have anything of your own to sell, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through this step by step. I'm going to show you how to grow a brand new account to a thousand plus followers fast, how to get daily opt-ins to your email list, which is important because that's what's going to help you make sales around the clock and earn passive income. I have the exact steps for you to follow to turn videos just like the ones you're looking at here into cold hard cash. So let's go ahead and get started with the steps. Before we go any further, obviously there's only so much I can show you in a short YouTube video, so if you want the full step-by-step checklist on exactly how to turn these short videos into money, you can find that at profitpassively.com. But in the meantime, I want you to comment yes on this video right now if you would spend $1 to get $10,000 by the end of the year. And the sky is the limit. 10,000 is just an example. That's what I've made using this affiliate program so far. You are obviously free to make as much money as you want, but make sure you stay until the end of the video to see how I 30x my chances of making a sale using this process here. So let's just dive right into it. What are the exact steps that you're going to follow to turn these AI videos into thousands of dollars of commissions? It's really simple. I've broken it down into 5 simple steps. So the first step is to set up a profile on every social media platform. So you can see here I have a TikTok account that's getting thousands of views per day. I have a Facebook account where I'm also posting these AI videos. I also post them to YouTube and Instagram and anywhere else that will let me post these videos. So that's the first step. Set up a profile on every social media platform. The next thing you're going to need to do is get access to the AI video generator. Now, this part is really simple too. You're just going to head to oneclickvids.com, and for a limited time, they're letting you use this AI tool for an entire month for just $1. So that's at oneclickvids.com. And this is how simple this is. You can literally just put an idea into this. You could type any idea that you have into this box, click generate video, and it's going to turn it into a video created entirely with AI in a very short period of time. Now, what's cool is you can use an idea or a script. If you want to use an exact script, you can just paste it in here or type it in. Now, there are a few different options here. We can add captions on the video, we can add animations, we can select a voice. There's a ton of different voices to choose from here within the tool, but ultimately you just select a few of these options here, and all we're doing is clicking buttons, right? Can everybody see how easy this is? I haven't done anything complicated. All I'm doing is clicking buttons, and you've seen all the options right here. That's it. You click generate video, and the tool is going to create a video for you using AI. So you can see an example of the video here. If you actually want to watch these videos, just head over to the shorts on my channel or head over to my TikTok account, TikTok Profits, and you can check out the AI videos that this tool creates. But the most important thing is to take advantage of the $1 trial before it disappears, and you can do that by heading to oneclickvids.com. Because once you do that, the next step is to sign up for the referral program. It's really easy. This tool at oneclickvids.com, it generates videos using AI, and they will actually pay you for each person you refer to the program. So that's how I've been able to earn $10,000 in affiliate commissions, because I've got 311 sales of this product so far. So that is how this works. We are simply clicking buttons to generate AI videos that refer people to this referral program. And so that's step 4. You can see here, use the tool to create AI videos that promote itself. It's very simple. So you're just going to tell the tool, when you come in here. So just like I have here, we just put in the script and then we have these different videos. So if we want to look at this video here,
Earning passive income from your social media accounts has never been easier thanks to these 4 hidden websites. OneClickVids.com lets you generate AI videos for social media with a single click. FunnelsForever.com lets you build an
so I create these videos that promote these websites, and it's that simple. We're driving traffic to an affiliate link. The more clicks we get, the more likely we are to get a sale and to earn money. So this is how you can get started with this business for just $1, is promoting this tool at oneclickvids.com and using the tool to actually promote itself. Now the last thing I want to show you before we wrap things up here is how to 30x your chance of making a sale using a tool that you can find at funnelsforever.com. So in case you're new here, a funnel is a sales funnel. It's something that helps us make sales online. And so I'm actually going to show you how you can use this free for the next 6 months using a simple hack. So here is what I'm talking about. This is funnelsforever.com. This is a digital marketing tool. It does a ton of stuff. There you can build web pages, funnels, you can sell products, you can send email, you can build affiliate programs, build membership sites and courses, host videos, all kinds of stuff you could do with this, right? Create your own blog and webinar. But what I want to show you here is specifically how to create a landing page and an email sequence. So what's cool about this is they actually have pre-made landing pages built in here. So you can see I'm under the create new site tab here, and there are ready to go websites where all we have to do is click a button to select which of these we want and then just edit the details. So you can see here it comes with several pages here. It comes with the buttons for people to click and get started. So all we have to do is import this template, and now suddenly we have a landing page for people to come give us their email address. So the reason that's important is because then we can follow up with automation. So what you're looking at here is an email sequence. Now, this sequence is triggered when somebody puts their information into the landing page, right? We're going to build a landing page using these pre-made templates, and then once somebody comes here and puts their information in, we can actually send them emails automatically. And of course, we can also generate these emails using ChatGPT, so we don't even have to type them out manually. If you look here, you can see that we're sending an email, then there's a delay of 1 day, and then we're sending another email, and then there's a delay of another day, and then we're sending another email. So basically, we are increasing our chance of making a sale by presenting this offer to the potential customer multiple times. So here's what that looks like. Basically, what I'm trying to show you in this video is how to click a magic button that makes you money. Now, I know that seems like a stretch just right off the bat, but let me break it down for you. Each time that you click this magic button, you are going to be generating a video. So let me just draw a little phone screen here with a play button on it. So each time you click this magic button, you are generating another one of these videos. So I'll just draw some more videos here, some more phone screens. So each time you click this button, you are generating another video. Now each one of these videos has the potential to be seen hundreds and even thousands or tens of thousands or millions of times, all just from one of these videos. So what that's going to do is rack up a lot of views, which we can then send to our affiliate offer. And obviously, the more clicks we get on our affiliate offer, the more money we make. Now, where the magic happens is with the landing page that we're going to create. Remember, I showed you there are pre-made templates already built in inside of this tool, and what we can do is just click one of these pre-made templates, change the details to fit our offer. So now here we have the landing page. So now what we can do is set up an email sequence of automated emails that are going to go out each day. So that's a little sloppy email diagram there. Here we'll draw another one, and we'll draw another one down here, and another one. So suppose we set up 30 of these automated emails. So now we're clicking this magic button. that's generating these videos. We're getting thousands of views on these videos. So each time someone sees this video and is interested in our offer, they're now going to come over to our landing page. Multiple people per day are going to come over to the landing page and enter their information. So now they're going to get sent to our affiliate offer. But now what happens is if they decide not to buy this product and they bounce and they leave the page, well, that's okay because the next day they are going to get an email that follows up with them, reminding them of the product they were interested in. And even if they bounce again, that's okay because the day after that, we are going to represent this offer. And automation is doing all of this. This all happens automatically. All we have to do is click this magic button to generate the videos and upload them to our account, and the rest of this happens on autopilot. So hopefully this is all making sense. Let me know if you're following along with me. Remember, comment yes on this video if you would spend $1 now to get $10,000 by the end of the year. So that's everything I have for you today. If you haven't already, be sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below this video. My analytics show that 96% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed, so take 1 second, click the red button down below right now. It's going to let me know that you appreciate this content. It's also going to show you the content I upload in the future. If you want to see it right away, be sure to click that bell icon. That'll give you a notification on your phone each and every time I upload, so that you can learn how to start earning thousands of dollars in commissions online using AI video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you make a bunch of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making tutorial.